Hi everyone, and welcome back. In this video we're going to look at a sample regression test script generated by QA Copilot, and I'll walk you through what it means, how it's structured, and when you'd use this type of script. First things first, what is a regression script? A regression script is used to retest existing functionality after changes have been made to the code base. So the goal is simple: make sure that nothing is broken after new features are added, bugs are fixed, or infrastructure is updated. Think of it as a stability check. We're not testing something new, we're confirming that what used to work still works. And let's take a look at this script from QA Copilot. So this particular output is a test per story style regression script. That means we're verifying the entire user story in one continuous flow, rather than breaking it down by individual acceptance criteria. QA Copilot has structured this script to be straight to the point, focused on coverage, not exploration, and built for speed and repeatability. Here's how it's laid out. So we start with some preconditions, making sure that the user is logged in, has access to the forecast feature, and that the test environment is stable across web and mobile. From there, we move into test steps. Step 1 checks that the pension forecast screen opens from the dashboard. Step 2 verifies the main data, its projected pot value, monthly income, and disclaimers. Step 3, that covers the fallback case, if the user doesn't have enough contribution history. Steps 4 and 5, they check layout, formatting and accessibility across both web and mobile. And step 6 adds a simple performance check. Does the loading indicator behave correctly on a slow connection? Finally, we wrap it all up with an overall expected result, summarizing here what success looks like across all platforms and states. So why is this script less detailed than a feature script? So a feature script dives deep. It's used when a story is new, and it includes things like exploratory testing, edge cases, risks and assumptions, detailed breakdowns per AC. But for regression, we already know the feature works, so we're just validating that it still works. So the script is leaner, it's faster to execute, and it's focused on the key flows. So when would we use this kind of script? Well, typically we run regression scripts at the end of a sprint, before a release, after a code merge, or as part of your daily sanity checks. It's a perfect fit for quick verification across environments. And because QA Copilot generates them cleanly, they're easy to reuse and even to automate later. So that's a regression test script. It's simple, powerful, and production ready. It's not about finding new bugs, it's about catching regressions early and keeping your core functionality solid. So stick around for the next video, where I'll take a look at a feature test script. We'll deep dive on that, and we'll see how QA Copilot approaches that deeper testing coverage. Thanks for watching. I'll see you then. Cheers.